First and foremost, I'm a believer of 10% luck, 20% skill, 15%. Oh wait, that's just Fort Minor. Yes, I still remember the name. So I'm sure you've watched Veritasium's inspiring video of his success, luck or hard work, which got more than 1 million views. And like you, when I saw the astronaut example, I wondered, is it really true? Do I need 94.7 out of 100 luck score to become an astronaut? Because I'm quite unlucky. That's probably why I'm not an astronaut. Well, I know it was a hypothetical simulation, but what exactly is luck score in real life? So maybe let's define a person with 100 luck score to be someone who went to a casino and was like Gambit, getting every card that he wanted at will. And 0 luck score to be someone that is like poor Kenny of South Park. And well, the bulk of us are like neither of them, which leads to this thought popping up. I am sure skill, experience and hard work of every astronaut candidate is not equally distributed. Just like luck, it is likely distributed in some form of normal curve, where most of the candidates who didn't make the cut are in, and a few of them are like Gambits, and a few of them are like Kenny. So like any normal person would do, I re-simulated Veritasium's simulation with uniform luck and skill score distribution. Yeah, the world of computing is more mundane, but just like what Derek observed, 94.8, which is quite close. But in reality, luck and skill are more likely to contain a few Gambits and a few Kennys, and a bunch of us are somewhere in the middle. So I did the simulation with these distributions, and the average luck score required for a candidate to sneak into the top 11 ranges from 44 to 98. Which makes sense. Imagine a cohort where there are so many Gambits. You would probably need to be an insane Gambit to stand out from the rest. Whereas in a classroom stacked with Kennys, plain old me might seem suddenly quite lucky after all. So in plain text, what this means is that no, you don't necessarily need 94.7 luck score to be an astronaut. It all depends on what luck is like for the other candidates, as well as how talented, studious or experienced the rest of the candidates are. Everything is comparative after all.